claimed this legend. The rusted M1A2 Abrams sleeps, waiting to rise again. Every scratch tells a story. But deep rust threatens to consume the steel skeleton.
Recovery begins! The damage is catastrophic, but the core structure survives. Let's move it. First step, secure the load. We must drag this dead weight from its grave. The earth fights back. With raw torque, we pull the giant free at last.
Leaving the battlefield, the Abrams heads to the workshop for a total rebirth.
Welcome to the Restoration Bay. Here, chaotic destruction meets surgical precision.
Assessment begins. We document every inch of damage before turning a single bolt. The exterior is rough. Rusted hinges and jammed hatches fight us every step.
Inside, a graveyard of electronics. Moisture has destroyed the sensitive wiring completely.
First, we clean. High-pressure jets strip away years of hardened battlefield grime.
Layer by layer, the tank's true skin is revealed. A messy but essential process. Teardown starts now. We remove the side skirts to access the damaged suspension. The turret lift is delicate. 20 tons must be balanced perfectly to avoid damage.
The body is exposed. Now we can access the transmission and massive power pack.
The heart is removed. This turbine engine is seized solid and needs a rebuild. The tracks are dead. We must break the rusted pins manually to remove them. Stripped to bare wheels, the tank looks vulnerable. These parts are worn beyond repair.
Into the blast chamber. We must strip this metal down to its raw essence.
Sandblasting cuts the corrosion, a violent process revealing the high-grade armor underneath.
Emerging from the dust, the rot is gone. Just clean, raw American steel.
The engine exploded. Thousands of components must be cleaned and measured perfectly.
Refinishing the 120mm cannon. Any imperfection here affects accuracy. It must be perfect.
Molten steel restores integrity. We weld the battle scars, making the armor whole.
Suspension overhaul. Fresh rubber meets restored steel to handle the roughest terrain.
Painting the interior white, essential for visibility and spotting leaks in the dark.
The nervous system is installed. New cabling will carry power and fire control signals.
The turbine is reborn. Rebuilt to factory specs, ready to produce raw kinetic energy. The transplant is critical. The engine fits with only millimeters to spare.
Locked down. Every bolt is torqued. The power plant is fused with the chassis.
Friction is the enemy. We grease the turret ring for smooth combat rotation.
The reunion. The turret returns to the hull. The Predator takes shape again. Analog meets digital. We install state-of-the-art targeting computers and thermal optics. The breech block moves smoothly. The chamber is ready for the explosion. New shoes for the Giant. Reinforced composite tracks designed to grip anything. Marrying wheels to tracks. Tension is applied, snapping the loop closed.
The steel is sealed. A heavy primer coat protects the metal from elements.
Camouflage is art. The pattern breaks the silhouette, hiding the monster in the trees.
Identity restored. Fresh stencils mark the model. A registered fighting vehicle once more.
Armor on armor. Reactive tiles are bolted on for maximum impact protection.
Defensive systems online. These launchers cloak the tank in smoke instantly.
The commander's eye. This thermal optic hunts for targets independently.
Secondary firepower mounted. The 50 cal is cleaned, oiled, and ready for action.
System check. The brain comes alive. All diagnostics show green.
Physically complete, but it's not alive until it moves. Time to wake it up.
Ignition! The turbine screams. The monster is breathing again.
Torque hits the tracks. It moves with terrifying weight and surprising grace.
Into the light. The sun hits fresh armor. No longer a wreck.
Field testing. Mud and dirt are no longer enemies, but elements to conquer.
Stabilization check. The hull bounces, but the gun remains locked on target. Power climb. The transmission handles the incline. The tank refuses to yield.
Emergency stop. 70 tons brought to zero in seconds. Brakes hold firm. Inside, systems are nominal. The ride is rough, but control is absolute. All green. Live fire test. The shockwave clears the dust. The main gun sings again.
Cycle complete. Extraction is flawless. The beast is ready to fight.
Test over! Washing away the mud. It has proven itself worthy.
Night falls. The tank's eyes remain open. A restored Guardian stands ready.
Deployment ready. From rusted husk to combat machine, the journey is done.
A broken memory forged back into steel reality. Total restoration. Absolute perfection. The M1A2 Abrams rides again. Not forgotten, but reborn. Ready for the future.